Hey, what is going on guys? John here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to secretly record with your iPhone screen off. Now, exactly how this is done, I'm going to show you in a few moments, but before we start the video here, I do want to show you guys this nice background. If you guys want to see any of these nice background and use it for yourself, make sure you check out my Twitter handle at TechNotice. This is a shot I've taken with the iPhone 11 of this amazing backdrop. And also, if you guys want to see any of the behind the scenes of TechNotice, make sure you guys check out Facebook at Tech Hubs. That's where I'm going to be posting a lot of the small little bugs underneath a minute, and then also some of the behind the scenes, which I won't be uploading to this channel. But anyways, guys, let's carry on with how to start recording your devices secretly. If you know your girlfriend or your boyfriend is cheating on you at home, you guys can place this somewhere around the house, and this is the best way to catch them. I'm just kidding, guys. Use this at your own discretion. Don't use it for anything illegal, but we're gonna carry on with this. Just quickly jump into the settings app and scroll down to the camera. Tap onto that, go into preserve settings, and then turn on camera mode. Once you guys are here, just swipe down from the bottom, jump back into the camera app, which is right over here, and turn it on to video mode. Once you guys are on video mode, you're all good to go. Just swipe down. Now, once you're in the home screen, simply just hold on to the side button or the home button if you use a Touch ID device and activate Siri. Now, once we activate Siri, just ask her to activate VoiceOver, and then we'll move on from there. Turn on VoiceOver. So here she has turned on VoiceOver, and if you guys want to stop all the loud noises that she makes in the background, make sure you guys turn your ringer down to silent mode and she won't really be saying anything. Anyways, once you guys have VoiceOver turned on, if you have a Touch ID device, simply just click onto the home button. But if you have one of the notch devices, swiping up sometimes takes a little bit of tries before she goes away, but eventually she does go away. Just keep swiping from the bottom up, tapping around the screen, and again, she will disappear after a couple tries here. So this time around, it did take me quite a long time, roughly about 30 seconds. So don't lose hope, guys. If it doesn't work, just keep swiping all around the screen. Once Siri goes away, this is where we can continue. So tapping once with VoiceOver just selects the app, and double clicking on it will launch it. So from here, it's pretty simple. Just click onto the record button. We will do right here. And once that starts recording, you guys can see the timer right up top here just start to activate. And this is where we can continue the process of turning off the display. So what you guys want to do at this point here is just triple tap on your screen, 1, 2, 3, and the screen should eventually turn off. Now, since it's turned off right now, it looks like the device is turned off, and especially if you have a device like the iPhone 10, 10s or iPhone 11 Pro, this is where the OLED screen shines, and essentially it is completely off. You can be recording the whole entire day and it won't use much of your battery because the screen is 100% off. Now for LCD displays, we can't see the same, but just to turn the display back on again and make sure it is recording, we'll just triple tap on it again. It turns back on, it continues to be recording. So just click on this, double click, and then it should just turn off the camera. And then we're just gonna simply tell Siri to turn off VoiceOver. Turn off VoiceOver. Alright, and now that we're done with VoiceOver and Siri, you can quickly just jump back into your photos, and then we're going to click onto the latest video right here, and you guys will see here that it plays from the start to finish. Mind the dirty table, guys. It's just a weird long-term stain in some places I just need to really clean up. But guys, yeah, so it continues to record. And yeah, guys, it's working very well. If you guys want to test this out, make sure you guys follow the exact same steps. And it's only available to iOS 14 right now. So if you guys are on iOS 13 update, and you guys can definitely make use of this feature. But anyways, guys, this should be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, that bell notification right up top there. And once again, guys, peace out.